Hello, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and today I just wanted to give a little walkthrough of our brooder house. This is it. It's 8 by 12. It's a little shed looking thing, and it's built on two skids, one on each side, that are kind of almost sunk all the way down in the dirt now, but it's movable. Just hook on to the end of it and pull it away, and we can drag it wherever we want. We haven't moved it since we did that, which is interesting. I've got an idea one day I'd like to actually build some concrete pads for it and get it up a little bit higher out of the dirt. Anyways, doing good though so far. This is it. We just put a screen door on it when we originally made it. The other thing we've got is this. This brooder house has that orange cord. It's kind of dirty coming out of the bottom of it, and then we plug it in like a toaster to an electric cord. That electric cord runs up into the garage, and so when we have a reason to power up the brooder house, we plug it in, and then once we've plugged it in, everything inside has power. So originally the door to the brooder house had a regular screen door type spring-loaded gizmo on it or whatever, and regular hinges and all regular everything. But a couple of years of that, and the all got busted up in the wind. So that's all done for. We've replaced the hinges with some heavy strap hinges. We've got the door closure mechanism on a weight, and so that keeps the door closed. And then now that we're plugged into electricity, we've got a light switch here. When it's dark out, just flip the switch, and power. We got outlet there, outlet down there, and all the lights and everything plug in. Every now and then we like to bring the air hose out here on a really windy day and just blow all the dirt out of it, but you know, it's really nice to have it all finished inside with OSB. And then here we have our baby chicks for our first batch of the year. There's 50. We haven't lost any yet. You caught me in the morning before we've gone to feeding and refilling the water, but you know, the water's still got a couple gallons from yesterday, but feeders need filled up. That's good news. There's the little guys right there. These are Freedom Ranger chickens. We've had them, they would be a week old today. It's Monday. We got them on Thursday. We've had them a few days, and they sure love the sunbeam. It's kind of funny to watch them in the morning. They'll sit there and spend the time in the sun where it comes to the screen door. We put in a divider. By the time they're about 3 to 4 weeks old, they just hop over this thing and come and go, and that's what makes us frustrated enough to kick them outside and put them in chicken tractors. On this side of things, we try to keep the feed and the shavings and all the stuff we use. We've got plenty of windows to be able to get plenty of light in here. So overall, it's a really nice little brooder house we've got set up. We like it. Every now and then, when there's not baby chicks in here, and if we get an injured chicken, like a full-size chicken or a turkey or anybody like that that's injured, we will bring them in here and just let them kind of have some time to heal up and rest up and get out of the battle. But for the most part, just brooder house. We put a linoleum remnant from Menards. Just found one big enough for this, and remnant. Didn't care what it looked like. Put that down on the floor, so our floor is pretty easy to clean. And easy to scoop it out. So there you have it. There's a brooder house. The window opens when it's in the hotter months. You know, if it gets too hot, we turn that on and open the screen on the door over here, and bring some air through. So nice little brooder house though. That's our setup. Thanks for watching.